How does a tiny 2-inch golden frog in the Colombia rainforest carry enough poison to take down 2 massive African elephants? It doesn't manufacture the poison itself, it steals it. This is the mind-blowing science of the golden poison frog.
In the humid rainforests of Colombia, a tiny creature wearing a coat of pure gold crawls along the forest floor. This is the golden poison frog. It is widely considered the most toxic animal on the planet. Its skin contains no scales or hair, only a highly specialized network of glands designed to secrete toxic alkaloids. In a world of camouflage, this frog wants to be seen. Its bright color is a warning. Touch me and you neutralize your reflexes. Unlike other frogs, it lacks webbed toes, relying instead on padded feet to climb damp rainforest plants. It hunts in the damp leaf litter and rotting logs, searching for tiny forest floor insects. It eats constantly, consuming hundreds of insects daily to fuel its high metabolism. But this diet does more than just feed the frog. Raised in captivity, these frogs are completely harmless. They must consume toxic insects to become poisonous. This stability was utilized by Ambera hunters, who rubbed blowgun darts on the frog's back. Batrachotoxin is a steroidal alkaloid, one of the most potent neurotoxins in existence. In a healthy nerve, sodium channels open and close. This process transmits electrical signals from the brain. Batrachotoxin binds to these channels, locking them permanently open and preventing the nerve from resetting. The nervous system is flooded with constant signals. This causes immediate and permanent muscle paralysis. When a predator touches the frog's skin, the toxin is absorbed immediately through their mucous membranes. The predator's mouth immediately numbs. If they swallow the frog, their heart muscles paralyze. One frog carries about 1 milligram of toxin, enough to disable up to 20,000 mice. The toxin is incredibly stable, remaining lethal even after being scraped off and dried for years. This stability was utilized by Ambera hunters. They rubbed blowgun darts on the frog's back. But how does the frog itself survive carrying this lethal chemical shield? The secret lies in a genetic mutation. The frog's own sodium channels are structurally modified. Because of this single mutation, batrachotoxin cannot bind to its receptors, making the frog immune to its own poison. This genetic shield allows the frog to store the toxin on its skin without affecting its own muscles. This immunity creates a zone of absolute safety. Predators learn to avoid the golden skin. Researchers studied this mutation to design non-addictive pain relief medications for humans. By blocking specific sodium channels, they can target chronic pain signals directly at the source. This research could lead to a new class of anesthetics, transforming modern medicine. Yet inside the rainforest, the frog's life is not just about chemical warfare. It is also about complex family bonds. Males use vocal calls to claim territory and attract potential mates. These encounters lead to a highly coordinated nesting process unique to poison frogs. Females lay eggs on damp leaves, but unlike other frogs, they do not abandon them. The male guards the eggs for weeks, keeping them moist with his own skin secretions. When the eggs hatch, the father performs a remarkable parenting task. The tadpoles climb onto their father's back, using a mucus secretion to glue themselves to his skin. He carries them high into the canopy, searching for individual pools of water inside bromeliad plants. He deposits each tadpole into a separate bromeliad pool, separating them to prevent competition. The mother visits the pools, laying unfertilized eggs to feed the developing tadpoles. These eggs provide the essential nutrients needed for the tadpole to grow. After 2 months, the tadpole metamorphoses into a froglet, ready to climb onto the forest floor. Initially harmless, the young froglet must immediately begin foraging for toxic insects to build its own shield. In the wild, its warning colors are so effective that even large centipedes avoid close contact. Because they have no natural predators, these frogs can live up to 10 years in the wild. But their survival depends entirely on the stability of their narrow rainforest habitat. Deforestation and agricultural expansion are fragmenting the damp forests they call home. International conservation laws strictly protect the golden poison frog, banning exports and capture. By preserving this species, we protect a unique biochemical library that could decode human neurological diseases. Without this tiny amphibian, the secrets of sodium channel blocking and new anesthetics might remain lost. From the Colombian rainforests to high-tech molecular labs, nature's design continues to guide human engineering. The golden poison frog is a testament to the incredible life-saving secrets hidden in the animal kingdom.
Which biological weapon system should we decode next? Let us know in the comment below.